Whoa, 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 whoa. ASOS apprenticeships are back for buying and merchandising, so I'm going to help you all out and take you to find some of our current apprentices so they can give you their tips and tricks. Let's go.
Hey Ryan, how do you know if you'd suit an apprenticeship?
Well, I think one of the big key things is it takes a lot of balancing sort of your day-to-day responsibilities in the role, as well as just sort of being able to manage part-time education on the side. But if you're good with your time management and you're very disciplined, then it's definitely something that would be good for you to check out.
Hey Aaron, do you have any advice for the video interview?
My video interview went a little bit sideways because my family came into the background of mine, but I think ASOS understands these things happen because I'm here right now. So it's mostly just being by yourself, and also I would say bring a notepad, jot down some ideas, know what you're talking about, bring your full personality to it because that's what ASOS wants to see, and just research in the job description and know what you're talking about, what you're applying to, and you should be good.
Hey Chloe, what was the vibe of the assessment and insight day like?
The assessment day was really, really chill, very relaxed. Everyone in the ASOS team was really welcoming and friendly, and we also had the opportunity to kind of relax and talk before our interview, which was really appreciated.
What did you wear?
I think I wore trainers, jeans, and a nice jumper.
Nice. Hey Vitor, what do you talk about in the interview if you've never had a job before?
So ASOS don't actually mind if you've never had a job before. You could talk about any other relevant experiences such as volunteering, passions, side hustles, etc. Me personally, I spoke about my side hustle back in sixth form, which I did sneaker reselling, and just spoke about all the transferable skills from there into my new job now. My main advice though, I'd say, is to always try link it back to the job description.
Hey Isabel, what support can you get from ASOS during the process?
There was always clear next steps and timelines, and you could let the team know if you had any support that you needed by email. Some of us added extra time to the video interview, or you could ask for a printout of the questions on the assessment day. Oh, I actually heard that you'll be sent the interview questions in advance this year.
Hey Chanel, how would you stand out from the other applicants?
So I would say do your research, make sure you really understand how your skills match up to the role. You can use things such as the career site or LinkedIn to really help you. I would say my main thing is though to show passion, show that you're ready to learn, and I would say just be yourself.